Glossy, vibrant hair has always been a symbol of health and beauty. Many people aspire to achieve luscious locks that exude vitality and confidence. While genetics and overall health play a crucial role in determining the quality of our hair, there are several natural ingredients that have gained recognition for their ability to boost hair growth, enhance volume, and improve overall hair health. These ingredients, often referred to as hair growth heroes, have been used for centuries in various cultures and are now finding their way into modern hair care routines. Let's explore some of these natural wonders and understand how they contribute to healthier and more voluminous hair. Castor oil, the nourishing elixir. Castor oil has long been hailed for its potential to promote hair growth and thickness. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a potent fatty acid, castor oil has properties that can help improve circulation to the scalp, leading to enhanced hair follicle health. Additionally, the oil's moisturizing and nourishing qualities aid in preventing hair breakage and creating a more conducive environment for hair growth. Regular massaging of the scalp with castor oil can also soothe irritation and remove product buildup that might hinder healthy hair growth. Coconut oil, the moisture miracle. Coconut oil is celebrated not only for its delightful tropical scent, but also for its myriad benefits for hair health. Packed with vitamins and essential fatty acids, coconut oil helps to retain moisture, preventing dryness and brittleness that can lead to hair breakage. The lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help maintain a healthy scalp, creating an optimal foundation for hair growth. Regular use of coconut oil as a hair mask or conditioner can lead to softer, shinier hair with improved manageability. Aloe vera, the soothing emissary. Aloe vera, often associated with skincare, also plays a significant role in hair care. Its cooling and soothing properties make it an excellent ingredient for maintaining a healthy scalp. A balanced scalp environment is essential for hair growth, and aloe vera's enzymes can help remove dead skin cells and excess sebum that might clog hair follicles. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, aloe vera provides essential nutrients to hair follicles, promoting stronger and more resilient hair growth. Rosemary oil. The stimulating essence, rosemary oil, extracted from the fragrant herb, has gained popularity for its potential to stimulate hair growth and improve circulation to the scalp. This invigorating oil contains ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid, compounds that are believed to help reduce hair thinning and promote thicker, healthier hair. Its pleasant aroma also offers a relaxing experience during scalp massages. Incorporating diluted rosemary oil into your hair care routine can potentially lead to increased hair growth and a healthier scalp. Onion extract, the unconventional contender. While the idea of using onion extract on your hair might sound peculiar, it has garnered attention for its positive effects on hair growth. Onions contain sulfur compounds that are thought to improve blood circulation to hair follicles and promote the production of collagen, a key protein for hair structure. Studies suggest that onion extract, when used topically, can potentially accelerate hair regrowth and strengthen hair strands. Ginseng, the energizing root. Ginseng, a revered herb in traditional medicine, has found its way into hair care due to its potential to stimulate hair follicles and encourage growth. Ginsenosides, the active compounds in ginseng, are believed to extend the hair's growth phase and inhibit hair follicle shrinkage. This, in turn, can lead to longer and thicker hair over time. Ginseng-based hair products or tonics are increasingly popular for those seeking a natural solution for their hair growth concerns. Embracing nature's bounty for beautiful hair. In a world where countless hair products promise miraculous results, turning to nature's ingredients for hair growth can provide a refreshing and holistic approach to hair care. It's important to note that results may vary from person to person, and consistency is key when incorporating natural ingredients into your routine. Before trying any new ingredients, especially if you have allergies or sensitive skin, it's advisable to do a patch test and consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional. Remember, achieving healthy and vibrant hair involves a combination of factors, including a balanced diet, proper hair care practices, and overall well-being. By harnessing the power of these natural hair growth heroes, you can embark on a journey to nurture your hair and unlock its full potential for length, volume, and radiance.